The key ingredients for pancakes include buttermilk, which can be substituted if unavailable. First, when combining your wet and dry ingredients, stir only until you no longer see any dry spots of flour. Additionally, making a test pancake can help gauge and adjust the temperature and cook time. With just a handful of staple ingredients and a 5-minute prep, you can enjoy a delicious breakfast. Overstirring will make pancakes tougher and less fluffy. The ingredients needed for this homemade pancake recipe are simple and don't require any special ingredients, making them easy to whip up on any given Saturday morning. These fluffy pancakes are absolutely perfect if you are looking for a soft and thick pancake recipe. The recipe calls for all-purpose flour, baking powder, baking soda, sugar, butter, and 1 egg, making it easy to whip up a delightful breakfast treat. The recipe ensures fluffy, golden, and also cozy pancakes, making it the perfect base recipe to start a weekend pancake-making tradition. Lastly, avoid pressing the pancakes with a spatula after flipping, as this will result in a dense, gummy pancake. The secret to light and fluffy pancakes lies in using baking powder, which reacts with the heat of the pan and helps the pancakes rise. The pancakes are not overly sweet and have the perfect amount of vanilla, making them a delightful treat for any occasion. Pancakes are quick to make with simple pantry ingredients and cook up nice and fluffy for a family-pleasing breakfast or brunch. It's important not to overstir the batter and to allow the leaveners to work their magic by resting the batter for about 10 minutes. Starting with a hot surface and making a test pancake to gauge the temperature and cook time are also essential steps for achieving fluffy pancakes to ensure perfect pancakes every time. It's essential to learn a skill for life with a foolproof easy crepe recipe that guarantees perfect pancakes. To make the best fluffy pancakes, it's important to follow a few key steps. This easy pancake recipe calls for 1 tablespoon of baking powder for the best results. It's also crucial to start with a hot surface, allowing your skillet or griddle to fully heat up before adding the batter. Resting the batter for about 10 minutes allows the leaveners to continue to work their magic, creating and expanding into thousands of tiny pockets of carbon dioxide, resulting in fluffier pancakes.